What's going on today, guys? Primal Sabbath here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Transformers Beast Machines Blast Charge. Took me a minute to think about it. Now, mine has all of the chrome flakes. I've never seen gold chrome flake like this before. I don't know if it's because they added red chrome like paint to it. You can see where like there would be some red chrome stripes. I don't know, but this is the only one I have, and it was because it was cheap, and it's probably because it was cheap, is why there's all that chrome flaking. But on Beast Machines era stuff, like I just don't recall that ever being an issue. But I guess it is now. So either way, I do plan on picking up another one. Just to like, this is one I'm just gonna have two of. I don't feel the necessity to own three of these things. They're not really the best. But that said, it's a little more entertaining than say Scavenger or Night Streak, whatever, Night Spy Streak. So I knew it was something like that. But anyways, Blast Charge is a tank drone, and I for the longest time thought this was just a retool of Strika, just because of how BotCon represented the Blast Charge drone from the custom class, reusing the Strika head and all that. But it's not. It's just it's a new mold. You can see these got the three launchers up here. You got the button, and these are just pressure held in like that. So you can kind of rotate them out if you want to. That's your thing. Also, you can press this, and I think this is mostly for transformation, but if you want to, you can have some kind of turning stuff going on. I think this is the only, with the exception of the other bigger ones like Thrust, the Deluxe Thrust, and Jetstorm, and I don't think the Tankor had any, but this is the only Viacon with chrome, I believe. At least the only one that I think I have, for what it's worth. So there is that. I mean, it's not the only one in the line with chrome, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. More of that green translucent plastic, pretty cool. I don't see where the spark crystal is on this guy, and I don't really see any of the Viacon logos on him either, which is kind of strange and interesting, but for the most part, I just kind of have him lumped in with the Strika drones. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this guy into his robot mode, and we will continue on from there. Alright, now we have the most ridiculous clown shoes having robot that Beast Machines has to offer, and wow. So you can kind of spin these around however you want. I mean, I guess this would make sense if these were like some knees or something. I don't know. I don't know if that's going to help with any of the stability, but the fact that his legs are just spinning wheels all the time, it's kind of ridiculous. And he's got these springs. I don't know why he's got springs in the wheels. I don't know if they're supposed to lock in, and I'm just missing something. I just don't know. But I mean, overall, that's kind of like you're not really gonna get anything out the legs. I mean, maybe like I don't know if there's a way to make them vroom vroom legs where he can just like roll around. I guess kind of like Tankor maybe. I'm not sure, but or Thrust I guess would be probably more accurate. But anyways, like that's that. You kind of spread them out or bring them closer together, and it'll change the dynamic of his pose. Couldn't say that with a straight face. Again, more of this was just flaking off as I was transforming it. So again, unfortunate, something to look forward to if this is a figure that means an absolute whole lot to you, I guess. Head rotates, which is neat. I would have liked it more if maybe this whole thing could have folded down. I mean, it would have given him, you know, 3 droopy dongs, but I just don't like that thing sticking out. I mean, that's such an like it's such a, not only is it an eyesore, it's just a really weird design cue. And I don't know why they decided to go for. I mean, I don't know if you can maybe turn him around. I mean, you can spin his head around, but well, the hands don't really turn around. Also, he's just got some little holes there, despite not having any weapons to hold, and they don't go all the way through. They stop at a certain point. So there is that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong with this, but this is not a great figure. Like the robot mode's pretty bad. I'll be honest. Like as a tank, I don't know, would you call it an APC? Not too bad. But as this, yeesh, it's pretty awful. Now, if you want to rotate these around like that, like maybe you can get some actual, because like you can, I guess, sort of like use this as a knee if you want to. As crazy as it is, but it does make him incredibly back heavy. So let's well, maybe that isn't too terrible with the legs kind of facing forward, but it's still like he's still going to be pretty back heavy. Just got to lean him forward a little bit. It's not too bad. So I guess whatever your heart's desire with these legs, but you're not gonna. Okay, see, I think I had them like that. I had the clown shoes as heels, which that actually looks a lot better in my opinion than just having them big old clown feet facing forward. But you know, whatever. You get options with it, I guess. So that's pretty much it. It's interesting colors. It's just not really very well executed piece. I like the kind of red tiger stripe sort of deco thing going on, but well, not necessarily tiger stripe. I guess just red striped camo. But anyways, that's pretty much it for old Blast Charge. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box. I'll do what I can to answer them. And like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.